Hi guys, good morning. How is everyone doing? In today's video, I just want to show you how I'm cleaning my stuff. And I did stop buying the expensive oven cleaners, and I find something. I'll be showing you what I'm gonna be using cleaning my stuff. Let me show you what I will need. When I'm cleaning my oven, I'll use a paper towel. I will need a paper towel, and I will need a bottle. This bottle is good for me because it's having some measurements. So I will show you how I will be using it. And boom, I will be using, I think you can see, and I will need a towel, dish towel to wipe, and I need what do you call it, a dishwasher bowl. This thing is is for using in the dishwashers, the dishwasher thing for washing dishes in the washing machine. For dishes, dishwasher machine thing is this one. I will take the picture and leave the picture there, which one I'm using for cleaning my oven now, because these they are so expensive first of all, and they're not cleaning the way I like. So stay tuned. Let me show you how I'm cleaning my oven, and they staying shining, it's sparkling, like shining without any greasy and stuff. Let's go. And I will need as you can see my kettle here, you can see through this hot water. Make sure your water is not too hot that can burn the water bottle. And I will need 250 of hot water. And I'm not gonna hold the bottle under, so I'm gonna hold the water. I said 250. And then I need to make sure that this thing is going inside there. As you know, they are wrapping it with the plastic. So I'm gonna open this plastic, and this hard for me. Let me find something to open the plastic. Oh, I got the knife here. As you can see, I'm gonna turn it just now because it's disturbing me. There we go. The plastic we are throwing away. What do we need? We need to use this. There's this red tablet. I put it in there. So much dissolving for to show you how powerful is it. You can see. So much dissolving. You can see. And then I try to break this so that it can enter in the bottle. Oh, I hit it so hard, but no problem. As you can see, immediately when you drop it, it's starting dissolving. As you can see, starting dissolving. I break it so hard, but anyway, that's not the point. The point is we need it inside this water bottle. There is the other one there. Boom. There. Then I close the bottle. Because when I close the bottle is becoming water is still hot. I just shake it gently opening again to take out the and just keep on doing like that till it dissolves everything. After, as you can see, it dissolves. It's left a little bit, but that's not the point that you can wait. You can let it dissolve everything while you are shaking it like this. As you can see, my water is very hot. Then I open it a little bit so that it can bring the. Then I just deal with the spray thing there. You can sit down. There we go. Then I close. There is the stuff behind me. Whew. I was just sitting there with my knees. Let me tie my hair so that it can keep on disturbing me. I tie my hair like that so that it can't disturb, and I've already make a cup of tea for myself as I do. It's nice. And then I'm starting with the warmer. I'm gonna start with the warmer. I'm gonna spray the warmer, and then I will come back, show you how it is. I'm gonna spray even here. I'm gonna spray and then let it leave for some minutes. Then I come and clean it. Then now I'm spraying it. Just start from the bottom. Not much, like, because I'm always doing it. So it's okay now. Even if it doesn't have to spray anymore, it's okay. If you don't have a spray, you can even use a laptop. You can wipe with the laptop. Even if you don't have a spray. The spray is not the thing which is working. The thing which is working is the mixture. Then I'm gonna use my lappy to wipe on top like this. Mind your water mustn't be hot so that you can bend you can wear gloves, you can use your hand. But yeah, my hand. Just rubbing it nicely. Just like that. stay wet. That's alright. Mine, the washing machine is on for the noise. The ground is having noise because the washing machine is running here, guys. So yeah, just like that. Leave it like that on top. And see, this one I'm not using it twice, I'm just using it once. I can leave it for, let me take it closer. As you can see, the way how I put it is still wet, like you can see. Then I just leave it like that for some minutes. Then I will be back showing you some results. See you in a few. Hi guys, I'm back after some minutes. After 10 to 15 minutes, I'm back. I'm having my bowl with clean water, and then my clothes is there, and then I'm starting wiping it. Let me show you the result now. How is it look like? I like this dishwasher technique because it cleans proper. Check how it is becoming water now, because it cuts all the grease and stuff. Cuts everything, guys. And what I like, it leaves it sparkly, shiny, and yeah. You don't need to scrub because it's gonna be scrubbing, and it's gonna be easy wiping, like as you can see. As you can see. I like singing, but I don't know how to. I like singing, but I don't know how to sing. And then my paper towel. This is my paper towel. I'm gonna wipe the warmer. Check how sparkling is it. It's sparkling like nobody's business, guys. For now, I'm no longer buying oven cleaner. I want to clean it before I go to work. When I come back to work, I want to make my carrot sponge cake. That's what I want. Check the data, guys. Check the data on the, I don't know, you can see. Yes, you can see on the paper towel. That's the easiest way I'm using. If you are having the other ideas how you are cleaning your oven without using oven cleaners product, drop a comment down below. Let me know. Share your experience with my experience, because this one is my experience and I like sharing my experience with you guys. Tina doesn't want to share your experience with me, guys. Why? Why, guys? Anyway, let me bring it closer and check the warmer. I don't know, you're gonna see, manage to see inside. Oh my god, but you can see, check. I'm gonna take a photo and put a picture, that before and after. Now I'm gonna clean on top because of my lightning. I can't see deep inside. I'm done with the warmer. Here's the warmer. Turn it to the oven. Check how it cuts the grease. Check how it cuts the grease. Check how the grease look like. Check how it cuts the grease. How it cuts the grease. I love it so much. wipe it. And yeah, that's how I'm cleaning my stove. Very quick and easy, guys. And it works for me. It works for me. It works for me very well. So if it works for me, which means it's gonna work for you. It's gonna work for you too. Because the oven cleaners, they're expensive now. Just imagine if you buy those tablets. You're gonna buy the small packet and you're gonna use it, I don't know, the rest of your life. Even this like here, check how I'm cleaning it. Just wiping it. Just wiping it, guys. Check. This is just cutting itself off. This is just cutting itself off. When you're wiping like that, check. I recommend this dishwasher tablet, guys. Try it and come back with the results. Share your result with me as I share mine with you. So yeah. After I'm done, guys, check how sparkling is my stuff. You can even see inside through. Check how sparkling is it. Check on top. After I'm done, that's how. I'm no longer buying the oven cleaners. That's what I'm using. After I'm done cleaning it, check the sparkliness. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Drop a comment below what you think with my DIY product for oven cleaning, and share your experience with my experience. Share your experience with me as I'm sharing mine with you. And yeah, nothing much, nothing less. That is it for today's video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Love you, y'all. Peace.